Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find the BMS, the battery sensor, fuses and relays on that generation Chevy Equinox here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Also guys, we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will guys share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So guys, the BMS, the battery sensor, battery monitor sensor, fuses, relays, we will show you where you can find them on that generation Chevy Equinox. Quick advice from us guys, probably 9 out of 10 owners do not know that there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. A video that can save you guys thousands of dollars in repairs. And what we need to do today, we need to open the hood facing the engine. Here on the right side, you see that's the driver's side, that's the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it you have a main engine fuse box. You have a tab here, a tab there as well, kind of like clip with 2 tabs. Squish them together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And for the BMS, the battery sensor guys, which fuse and relay we need to check, please make sure to stay tuned and we'll explain what else you need to test as well. Now guys, and common mistake people make as well. What you need to do, you need to find fuse number 28. Coming in that row of fuses here guys, fuse number 28 is that 5 amp fuse. That's the one that you need to check. That's known as a relay fuse, so you don't have any relays. But guys, that's the main fuse. Also, number one mistake people make when replacing battery, they don't know which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect. That can cause the BMS to go bad and they yank on it as well. So avoid doing that. Grab the clamp, know the sensor, because we've seen people easily break them too. But that's the main fuse that we usually check. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.